Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. So first we're going to open our Google Sheets. Then as you can see there's a list of data that have duplicates in them. So now we're going to insert a formula which helps us to find and remove duplicates, which is equal to unique, then open parenthesis, then you guys can select all the data, then click on enter. So as you can see it's going to remove the duplicates. So a second step will be, you guys are going to select all the data, then click on data, then you're going to click on data cleanup, then click on remove duplicates. Then again, you're going to click on remove duplicates under column B. So as you can see, they removed the duplicates. So there are 2 steps and this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.